Okay, so now I'm going to test the sound with a proper mic and see how it works. Definitely one of the most impressive features of the Africa Twin is its sound, and it's something Honda put a lot of thought and engineering in creating this unique, aggressive and exciting sound that comes from its newly designed exhaust pipes. That is something I wanted to capture with my Zoom mic, and it's something you're going to listen in this video. Enjoy. The sound you're listening to is a recording from a Zoom mic. It has been attached to the rear seat just 4 inches from the exhaust pipe. This is the closest you will get to listening to the Africa Twin. And I really wanted to capture the sound of this motorcycle in the best quality available. In the past, Honda had been criticized for creating characterless motorcycles, and this is something I have been hearing for the last years, and it's something that I can witness when riding Honda motorcycles. They are great, they have a lot of innovation, a lot of technology and great quality, but they had left behind the lifestyle, the personality and the motorcycle character, and this is something very important, and this is something that has been redesigned with the Africa Twin. This is something you can only experience when riding this motorcycle, and it's something you're going to feel when riding it deep into your bones. Here I am taking the motorcycle for a ride on a curvy road outside of Barcelona. Unfortunately, there was a lot of traffic in front of me, so I couldn't go very fast. But for me it was enough just to test the handling and the leaning in curves for this motorcycle. I was quite surprised. It felt very light in the curves. So I hope you liked this sound test of the Africa Twin, and in the next video I will be discussing DCT gear shifting system. See you next time.